Hello, أهلا وسهلا يا شباب, to part 16. In the last video, we just implemented the main activity, and now I want to continue with the navigation graph, but before we can continue with it, we have to add the other fragments, just the best structure to get started with them. So let's start. Let's create task, create fragment. Okay, task, create fragment. Yes, okay, that looks good. And next, what we are going to do, before I forget, just add the layout file. Go to layout, create a new resource. Fragment underscore create task. Okay. Okay. I think I will just copy it right now. It would be easier to explain like this. Let me just copy all of this, all of this, all of this. Just there are just input fields for everything. Gosh, it's so much. As you can see, it's a lot. Okay. Copy. Split. And oh, okay. I think. I made a mistake. Okay, just good to know. We don't need this input fields here. We can delete them. As you can see. Okay, this can be also gone, and this will be just to. Okay, that should be good. Okay, nice. I have to adjust. Now, good thing that I'm copying. Look at this. Oh gosh, I have to mark everything and delete everything so that also this medium tutorial is accurate. Just a second, just a second, just a second. God damn it, I was wondering why it's so long. Because when I was writing the tutorial, I had a bit more content, but I decided to shorten things up. I mean, just to make everything more nice. Okay, now we have this reload. Yes. Okay. Just let me just quickly check. Okay, now we got this. Now we can again annotate stuff in here. As you can see, you always do, while doing software development, all the time mistakes and fix afterwards your mistakes. This is just part of software development. Few binding fragments. Now we got the layout, and we can say, damn it, yes, fragment, create task binding. That's good. Missing the parentheses. Implement member. Yes, implement the member. What you can do now is just to say remove this, equal sign, fragment, create task binding, inflate, inflator. Now I need just a bare minimum structure because all the logic will be done when we have the navigation graph set up. Yes, okay. Now we can create the next fragment for our navigation graph. Say Kotlin class. This is task edit fragment. And now we need here as well first the layout to continue. And we of course call it fragment underscore edit underscore task. It's just the reverse order of how we named it. Fragment here is task edit fragment, here's fragment edit task, and the XML layout. Okay, very nice. Jayet. Okay, Jayet, by the way, means good in Arabic. Jayet, something is Jayet. Jayet Shay, something is good. Okay, just let me, okay, just again grab everything here. Gosh, why it's a lot of code actually. I hope I didn't press the wrong button right now. Okay, let's see. Huh? Gosh, I hope I didn't make a mistake right now. Is this changed? Oh God, no. Okay. You know what, guys? I got sorry for all the mistakes I'm currently making. I don't know what's going on. Sometimes this is what it is in software development. Edit task. Let's take the raw. First of all, here. Okay. Okay, that looks good. This is just the wrong package. Okay, nice. God damn it. Where am I? Okay. This is the edit. Okay, priority line. Okay, description out. Okay, that looks good. I hope there aren't nothing messed up. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Then here to task edit. Task edit will be quite the same as task create. Let me just copy those annotations, put them in here. Say view binding fragment of type fragment edit task binding. That's great. And bare minimum structure again. Create binding. Remove all of this. Oh, sometimes I don't know what's going on here. Inflate again, inflate. That's good. Okay. And so far, so good. We need one last fragment. So task detail fragment. Okay, now before we forget, let's add again the layout. Layout resource. Fragment will be detail underscore task. Okay. Okay. Let me just close all the other tabs, and you know what, not copying from there, I just copy it from here. Layout, where is the task detail? Take the raw. And again, the package structure is not the same. Task fetch. Response should be good. Okay, nice. We got that set up. That's great. Okay. Now task. Okay, I made a mistake, I think. Yeah, I made a mistake. This should be go in here. Refactor. Okay, task detail is now here. And again, let us just copy those annotations. Would be faster, and then inherit from view binding fragment. Okay. Fragment detail task binding. And so implement the member. Equal sign, just take this, say dot inflator, and we should be good to go. And yes, nice. Okay, now we got added everything. Sorry for all the mistakes that I did, but this is basically, as I said, I mean, I developing this app the third time right now. First time for my own, and then for medium.com, and then now for YouTube, and still making mistakes, but this is how it is, the software development lifecycle. Always doing mistakes. Okay, I think I will cut it right now. So I hope if something is unclear, write me a comment I hope nothing is unclear, but write me otherwise a comment in the comment section down below, what you liked, what you disliked. And you know the drill about liking and subscribing. And see you in the next video. Ila liqa ya shabab.